guys, so I'm out here on the interstate, and if you can hear it, you can listen to the flapping of the Trektop. It gets pretty bad at times. And the unfortunate thing about it is that now that the weather's getting warmer and the fabric has stretched, it does that almost all the time. It used to only do it when I'm like running 70 miles an hour like I am right now, but it'll actually do this at 55, 45, it doesn't really matter. And if it's a windy day, it'll do that when you're sitting still. So I've got the new updated window at home. FedEx supposedly delivered that to me today, so when I get home I'm going to install it, and hopefully it'll fix that problem. Okay, so we have a new box here, and this should be the new rear window for the Trektop that supposedly is an updated part and will cure the flapping in the wind. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so what they've sent me here is just the rear window. There's no new tailgate bar included with this, just the window. And if I looked at the date code on this one, it's kind of hard to see here, especially when it's not focusing. I'm assuming that's February 6th of 2019. And my old one was from December of 18. So a couple of months difference between when this one was manufactured and the one that came with the top. So again, I'm going to put it on here, and it'll probably take, a week or so to let this fabric stretch out and do what it's going to do in the sun before we can tell if it's really going to fix the problem or not. But right now I'm a little bit skeptical, because I've noticed that the tailgate bar kind of has a gap, and a lot of people have noticed that. I'm going to go show you what I'm talking about. So on this tailgate bar at the rear, you can see how it doesn't really make a super solid. See that there's not really a firm fit there between the seal and the tailgate. It's kind of loose actually, and I don't know, there's been some people that have speculated that this could be a part of the problem, because if there's that much slack back here, then it's not going to be able to really stay firm in high wind. So I don't know, but they didn't send a new one, so we're just going to go with it. Put the new rear window in and give it a test, see how it does.